Shannon and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing something a little bit different and I'm going to be making my 2021 vision board. So what I'm going to try and do, fingers crossed, is a voiceover for this video, but if I can't get my new mic to work I'm just going to talk you through what I am doing. So fingers crossed I've actually got the mic to work. I'm still waiting for the mic to come, that's why I'm not really sure if it's going to work. If you haven't already, I suggest you watch my 2020 goals, which I will leave up here, because that will basically just give you what is going to be on my vision board and a little bit of a backstory. But yeah, I've got some quite exciting things for this, so I'm really excited for this video, and this is something that I probably would have done even if I didn't do YouTube, just because I love little DIYs like this. So this is probably one of the most exciting videos I've filmed to date. So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So guys, firstly you're going to need some sort of board. I'm going to be using this cork board that I bought from The Range. Then I'm going to be using a paintbrush, and to go along with that I'm just going to be using some silver acrylic paint. Then I bought some photos from La La Lab, and here are a few examples. There's just some ones that I've edited and some of my favourite quotes, as well as some of my favourite YouTubers, Imagination and Jasmine. And then you will need some scissors because I'm going to be cutting these photos out. And I've also got some clear pins as well, but you can use any colour. And some stickers and little extra things. I've got some number decals as well, just to say 2021. Here I'm just painting the edges of my vision board with my silver acrylic paint. You can use absolutely any colour, but for the people that know me, I love pink, silver, rose gold, anything like that. I just find it really aesthetically pleasing, and yeah, I just wanted it to match my room. There's absolutely no technique to this, just literally go ahead and paint it. It doesn't matter if you get it on the board because we're going to be covering that up anyway. Then I'm just going to go through my prints and find my favourite ones, ready to start cutting them out. And as you can see, I clearly can't get enough of Pinterest quotes. I genuinely love Pinterest. It's one of my favourite places for social media. I absolutely love it and I think it's so motivating. So I'm just showing you some of the quotes that I've got. This one says, "Goal to make an income while making an impact." That is definitely the dream. So what I'm going to be doing now is organising everything into different piles. So as you can see, just to save a little bit of time, I've gone ahead and done that already. So for this year, I really want to manifest getting Smile Direct Club. That is something that I've wanted for the longest time because my teeth is a really big insecurity of mine. And I've also wanted an intro by video editor M. So I'm manifesting that as well. Hopefully that'll be really soon. And I've just got some little extras and things that motivate me, and another quote which says, "It's already yours, the universe." And now basically what I'm going to do is stop rambling to you all and let you all enjoy me making my vision board.
You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up, yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Waking up a paradise, yeah, without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one place. 'Cause wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me.
So that was me making my vision board. Some of my major goals for this year are to hit 1,000 subscribers over on my YouTube channel. I also really want to do more with both my little ones, Mila and Cody, hence why I put them on the vision board as well. And I also want to do more Instagram content really. I really enjoyed doing it last year, so I really want to put more effort into it this year. And yeah, if you want to know more about my 2021 goals, head over to that video. But I hope you loved watching this as much as I loved making it. So guys, that was my vision board for 2021. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I really hope you enjoyed the editing and the music and stuff like that. I've been really trying to put more effort into my videos lately, and it does seem to be paying off, fingers crossed. And yeah, I'm just super happy with it, and I love doing DIYs. If you want to see more DIYs from me, please let me know, because I do love DIYs and I do want to do different things on my channel and mix it up and switch it up a little bit, and I feel like today was one of those days that I did that. So yeah, that is absolutely everything guys, and I really hope you have a great 2021. And yeah, I hope you achieve all your goals, and if you want to leave some of your goals in the comment section, feel free. And please give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe, and that is everything. Until next time guys, bye, love you.